Attention green card seekers, new USCIS rules in 2025 could impact your application. Dreaming of getting your green card? New USCIS rules dropping in 2025 could change everything from eligibility to processing times. Want to know how to prepare and avoid delays? Stay tuned, because I'm breaking down the must-know updates that could impact your application. First off, one of the biggest shifts in 2025 involves stricter eligibility criteria for green card applicants. USCIS is tightening some of the requirements, particularly around financial stability and background checks. The idea is to ensure that applicants can support themselves and won't become a public burden. What this means practically is that proof of income or assets will be scrutinized more closely, and if you're relying on a sponsor, their financial documents will be examined in greater detail. So, if you're currently preparing your application or planning to start soon, make sure all your financial paperwork is complete, accurate, and well organized. Another key change is around the medical examination process. USCIS is updating the list of required vaccinations and health screenings for applicants. Some vaccines that weren't mandatory before are now being added, reflecting updated public health guidelines. It's important to get your medical exam done by an authorized physician who's fully aware of these new requirements, or else your application could face delays. Make sure you check the latest USCIS guidelines or consult with your immigration attorney before scheduling your medical exam. Also, the new rules include enhanced security measures. Background checks will become more thorough, with increased information sharing between federal agencies. This is aimed at improving national security, but it may lengthen processing times. So, if you're applying, be prepared for possible delays and plan accordingly. Patience will be key in the months ahead. The way USCIS handles interviews is also evolving. In some cases, interviews that were previously optional might now become mandatory. This applies especially to applicants adjusting status within the U.S. This change is intended to improve fraud detection and verify eligibility more thoroughly. If you get called for an interview, don't panic. Prepare well by reviewing your application, gathering all requested documents, and, if needed, practicing common interview questions with an expert or lawyer. There's also good news amidst these tighter rules. USCIS is investing heavily in digital modernization. More applications and follow-ups will be handled online, speeding up communication and giving applicants more transparency. You'll be able to track your case in real time, receive notifications faster, and submit certain documents electronically. If you haven't already, create an online USCIS account because it's going to be essential for managing your application smoothly. Now, what can you do today to be ready for these new rules? Step 1. Review your current application status if you've already applied, and confirm that all your documents meet the new requirements. If you haven't started yet, take this time to get your paperwork in perfect order. Make sure your financial records are solid, your medical exams will cover the new vaccine requirements, and you're prepared for a possible interview. Step 2. Stay informed. USCIS updates their policies regularly, so bookmark the official USCIS website and consider subscribing to newsletters or trusted immigration news sources. This will help you catch any last-minute changes or clarifications that might affect your case. Step 3. Seek professional advice. Immigration law can be complicated, and these new rules add an extra layer of complexity. A qualified immigration attorney or accredited representative can help you navigate these changes, avoid common pitfalls, and strengthen your application. Lastly, don't let anxiety or misinformation cloud your judgment. Many applicants worry that changes like these mean their chance of success is slipping away. That's not necessarily true. These reforms are designed to make the process fairer and more secure. If you prepare carefully and follow the new guidelines, you can still achieve your goal of obtaining a green card. In summary, the USCIS new rules in 2025 bring stricter eligibility criteria, updated medical requirements, enhanced security checks, more mandatory interviews, and a push toward digital modernization. These changes will require applicants to be more diligent and better prepared than ever before.